Hey everybody, you're watching another episode of Winston Walks. My name is Winston, I said Walks. Today we are here the day after the second snowstorm. So we're digging out, Toronto's digging out again. As you can see, we're not fully dug out yet. I heard from the weather people that there's possibly another dump coming. Hope not. It's been pretty bad. These large piles here really reduce the area you can walk. But anyways, I hope everyone, who's had to deal with this this dump has I've seen a lot around, obviously, I think parts of North America. In the States they had a pretty big dump too, so I hope you folks dealt with it well. At least the roads here now, you can see, they're really a lot clearer than they were the other night. And believe it or not, the sun's coming out. It's getting a little bit warmer. Everyone's still obviously wearing their jackets and stuff, but it's definitely not as cold as the other day. See that guy shouldn't be riding on the sidewalk like that, but I guess deliveries, but it's supposed to get colder though. Forecast. So the problem is this stuff might all ice down later. Hopefully they salt it up and keep it clear. But it is windy. You can see all the snow everywhere. Sorry. Whew. Look at that, eh? Okay. Your visibility is better than mine. Someone's running towards me. And it's still windy. Don't let that sun fool you now. But Irwin, this is Yonge Street, obviously. I've been just doing the walks here because they are actually easier to navigate than the other areas. Excuse me. Today is Monday. Four Nations Cup, I believe, restarts again. Good luck to Canada. Hopefully we can clear things up, straighten things up. I know folks are making a big deal about those fights. I don't think it's I personally was watching the game. I didn't think it was deeper than it was, that the Kachuk brothers wanted to represent their dad. So that's how I saw it anyways. Like I said, I didn't hear too many boos Like I said, I wish people didn't boo the national anthems. And in Boston, I hope they don't boo ours. But I mean, it is what it is. You know, sometimes I think we play right into the hands of politicians, you know, on both ends. You know, I think down the line when you look back, you realize that that's not really what they meant, or that's not really what they wanted to do, right? And obviously here in Canada, you know, we've got a government who's very unpopular, and you know, really, if you think about it, their only hand is, you know, the whole anti-Trump, you know, we've got to defend against Trump play. But reality, I mean, you know, let's be honest, as Canadians, doesn't feel like government's working for us for a long time anyways, right? And in terms of media, you know, you gotta, like I was saying earlier, you gotta wonder, on another video, we gotta wonder, you know, who's funding them. Because some of their takes, you can obviously tell when they're really biased, or I just wonder where they come, you know, the takes are coming from, right? You know? But hey. Alright, we're coming down to Wellesley now. See a lot of businesses here. Still haven't shoveled. They're supposed to. There's a rule, I think 48 hours in Toronto is the magic number. But doesn't look like it's been done. Oh, the smoke's coming. That didn't feel great, folks. I've been noticing them as well. Kind of getting into the drug addicts coming out during this period too. You know, the last couple of recordings I've had just some, you know, approach of some drug addicts in the street. Oh, sorry. Right, and so that's been interesting. That's something just to keep in mind. This dog is ready for the season. You gotta go Wellesley. Hopefully the city does more. I know today's a holiday here. Hopefully they get some more done. Yeah, the streets are looking good. On Tim's. Food delivery folks are back on. Like I said, the roads are better. Hopefully they salt it more though. In case the when it freezes down again. Oh, down here than it is up on the other side of the floor. There's another dog. Super windy and it's cold. My name is Winston. I take walks. I'm in Toronto. If you're a tourist, don't come here in the snowstorm. I think when you come here, you're going to deal with this a lot of the time. If you just enjoy this, hope you're warm and you're just enjoying this because it's cold and windy. And I gotta cut this short.